Hey guys, Lucas here, lead marketing for Teamcraft. In this video, you'll learn how to install, implement and use the Pay for Submission plugin and get an automatized system to submit, charge, review and publish paid articles on your WordPress site with almost no effort and with no coding knowledge whatsoever. To implement the Pay for Submission plugin, first of all, you need the WooCommerce plugin, Bodyforms plugin, and Bodyforms Pay for Submission plugin, all the links in the description. Step 1. We have to create a product. To do so, we have to go to the Products tab and then click on Add New. Give the product a distinctive name like Guest Post Pay for Submission and a description. This should be short and on point, like pay to submit your content to our page. In the General tab, select a price. In this example, will be $10 and click in Virtual Checkbox so you don't have to deal with physical product options. In the Inventory tab, select in Stock Status in Stock. Once you have all that done, click on Publish. Step 3. Go to the Bodyforms tab and click on Add New to add a new form. Give the form a distinctive name like Pay for Submission form. All these names are for internal use only. In the form builder, make sure you select a post type form like Post Simple and click on Use this template. Add the field you like, but you only need two to make it work: title and content. Give to the fields an accurate description. For example, in title you can write your submission title here, and in content write your submission content here. After that, click on Publish. Once the form is published, scroll down to the Pay for Submission meta box and click the checkbox Pay to submit the entry. This will allow you to charge your customer for their entries. Also, select your newly created product Guest Post Pay for Submission. Finally, click the checkbox Go direct to checkout, which will eliminate the purchasing cart and will send your customer directly to the payment page. Click on Publish again. Note that all the shortcodes available for this plugin are on this page, on the right side. Click on the shortcode named Display Form, which we will use later, to copy it to the clipboard. If you want to see a preview of your form, click on the form. I recommend you to do so. By the way guys, click like and subscribe to the channel if you want to receive all the latest upgrades about this plugin and everything we're doing in Teamcraft. There are really exciting things to come, so stay tuned. Step 4. Create a new page, clicking in Pages and then in Add New. Name the page with a descriptive name for your customers like Pay for Submission page or Submit your content here. Click in the plus button and then search for shortcode in the search bar. In the shortcode block, add the recently copied shortcode Display Form and update the page. After that, click on Preview. It should look exactly the same as the preview we saw before called the form, except for the new name you gave to the page. Step 5. Once you have all that set up, you should test your form. First, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. On the payment page, enable the first option, Direct Bank Transfer. I'll save the changes. This is just to test your form as admin, so don't worry if you don't want to really use this payment option in your blog. Go to Pages and then to the page just created, name just submit your content here and click on View. Create a title like Example Title and a content like Example Content and click on Submit. You'll be directed to the checkout page. There, fill only the required boxes with information. It's not necessary to be real information. Remember that this is just a test as admin. Once that's done, click on Place Order. In the order received page, you should be able to see all the information you just entered and the details of the purchase. In this case, one Guest Post Pay for Submission. Step 6. If you want to manage the order status, you can do so in the order page in the WooCommerce plugin. but in this video we will manage the submissions from the post page. Go to the post page and click in Pending Payment tab. There should be your recently submitted post. Click on Edit. On the right side, you can see that the current paid status is unpaid and the post is not published. From this page, you can moderate the content, modify it, attach a Buddyform form, see, insert or change the feature image, etc. Once the post is clear to be published, click on the Mark as Paid checkout and then Publish or Schedule to put the post in the air and finish the process. Keep in mind that even if the checkout process has ended, the submission will not be paid until the entry is published. This way, there is no misunderstood with the rejected entries and the scheduled ones. If you want to publish the articles without moderation as soon as the checkout process is done, you can do so from the WooCommerce configuration. So guys, to download this plugin or read each documentation, please check the links in the description. If you want to know a little bit more about this plugin or the Pay for Submission subject, you can read our article about it, link in the description. Thank you all guys for your attention and have a nice day. Cheers!